Hey, boys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you want to do today?
I'm really bored.
I have a good idea for you guys.
I have a good idea.
What?
Mario Kart.
I was about to say that, too. So,
I'm lucky too.
I guess I'll be the person who says who. It says 3, 2, 1, go. And I'll be the person who
At the
goes
very end,
first.
does the thing.
Yeah. And I'll the person who's supposed to load all the item blocks and stuff.
Mhm.
I'll go on my
Dude,
vlog.
the only reason why I'm gonna be look at you. I'm like,
Wait, before you start, you need to do one job.
Hmm.
Get them their carts.
oh yeah.
And tell them about the items.
Oh, that's sick. There's Luigi, there's Mario. Oh, that's cool. There's 3 items. The mushroom to make you go faster. The squid, the blueberry meat that we get a shoot ink and you can't see anything. And I add this one, the shy guy.
What does it do?
Because my eyes, what does it do?
Is it top secret for right now? That's how
I'll
we
take
get
it for right now. Oh, I hate doing that. I just want to know now. Patience, Mario. Patience.
I see all the items in the item blocks.
Now, guys, let's get started. Okay, boys, get your thing out here. Say do 3, 2, 1. I'm the saving one. Oh,
Sorry, guys.
you good?
Yeah. It's really hard for me to sit down because
Hurry up. I'm impatient. Ugh. Mod, you're always this last place. But in the very end, he catches up.
Oh, the item block, I missed it.
What's a mushroom do? What the?
What's the squid? What's that doing? Whoa!
What is that? Ow! Ow!
No, I missed the item block.
Ugh, I don't know what this does. Whoa. What are you doing?
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Get on your cart now. Who won?
It looks like a tie.
Yeah, it looks like a tie.
What? Mario never loses.
Yeah, lose though. It's a tie.
Oh, that's good. Wahoo!
I'm just gonna get out of here for the thumbnail.
The thumbnail. How about that thing?
Well,
Thank you
wait, before I leave, can I actually keep this cart?
Yeah. This is my card.
Like and subscribe to never miss another video.
Hit that bell to never miss another video. I mean, stop throwing the squid at me.
Oh, look. I ran.
Come here, Luigi. Time for you to get your daily whooping. Guys, I gotta subscribe, hit the bell to never miss another video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, that's my part.